Okay, if you would introduce yourself and answer the following question: what has been the biggest change or challenge during the coronavirus outbreak?
Well, my name is Laura Bond, and I'm a first grade teacher. There have been a lot of big changes, and actually, I couldn't pick just one big change and big challenge, but some of those would include having to revamp the way I do my job completely and decide what is uh, the most important content to try to continue to reinforce in nowhere near the same amount of time that we used to teach. First grade's allowed 45 minutes total in online distance learning. And so having had them for an entire day and then having to condense that is a pretty big challenge. I also think it's pretty challenging. I'm finding out more and more every day as we get ready to start to try to plan such a big change in the way we deliver instruction when my teammates and I are in the same room. Um, you don't realize how much is lost in translation. So thank goodness for Zoom, I guess, because that's helped a lot. And that's been a big change too. Um, those would be some of the biggest ones, I think. Also, I'm playing this role of teacher from home and grandmother who is partly child care provider too, because um, my grandchildren's daycare is no longer open as a result. So, but that's not unusual. There's a lot of teachers in that same position. Having to teach and help with their own kids in the house at the same time is probably a real big hurdle for most of us. That's what comes to mind off the top of my head as far as the biggest changes and challenges. Obviously, just staying at home instead of going to work.